Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called preferences, and once you find it, tap on it. Oh, my bad, not permissions, preferences. And here you find the option called watch language, and once you find it, select it, of course, and here we have the list of languages you can select from. Find the language you would like to use, and once you find it, tap on it to select it, and it will be applied after a couple of seconds. And once you're done, of course, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. Another way you can change the language is to do it in the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone. So we can move this to the side, bring the phone, unlock it, zoom out the camera, like this, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can tap on the zip icon to open the zip application. In the app, we can tap on profile, select our AMAZFIT Balance. Here, select the option called watch settings, find the system language, tap on it, and select the language from the list, then tap on OK to confirm. And the language should be applied. Let's see, let's open the settings. As you can see, the language changed. Okay, and that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.